Welcome to our new videos. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is countertop styling the Sushi case, color in black. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, it's about like a 46 and a 1 4 inches long. And the overall heights, they are about like a 12 and the 1 4 inches high. And the depth of the unit is about like a 16 inches deep. So as we can see, the units designed curved glass, and they do have a 4 display pantries inside of the units. And the countertop, they do having the LED light strips. Let me turn around for you. On the side of the units, we can see they do have a ETL sanitation stickers on it, cut sheets informations and diagram, and also have a serial numbers for the fastest service. Also, when we look in the behind of the units, they come in with the digital display controllers right here, power switches, and from the manufacturers, they come in standard 110 plugs. Also, they do having the 2 sliding doors, can open on the both sides. And also this tray, they are removable. Let me give the measurements. This tray about like a 12.5 inches long, 7 inches wide, and the depth just about like a 2 inches. And also we can see they have a small tubes, and we can unplug the caps. This one for connecting to clean the water inside of the unit. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.